Good morning, children. Are you excited to learn something new? Okay, children, I will ask you some questions. Please answer it, okay? If you have to tell me the time, where do you look? Yes, you look at a watch or at a clock. All watches look the same? Yes, no, not all watches look the same. Some are round, some are square. Where else do you see a watch? Yes, children, we also see a watch in our wrist. It is called a wristwatch. We also watch in a phone. This is called a wristwatch, which we wear in a wrist. Like this. Since children, you know a little about the watch, today we are going to learn how to read the clock in our maths lesson, time. A clock tells us the time. It has number 1 to 12 written on its face. A clock has two hands. The long hand shows the minute and the short hand shows the hours. 1 minute is of 60 seconds. 1 hour is for 60 minutes. And 1 day is for 24 hours. In the clock, if the minute hand is at 12 and the hour hand is at 5, so the time is 5 o'clock. Children, if our hand is at 8, and the minute hand is at 12, so what is the time? Yes, very good. It is 8 o'clock. And children, if the minute hand is at 12 and the hour hand is also at 12, so what is the time? Yes, very good. It is 12 o'clock. Children, put your head down on the table and teacher will ask you to put your head up. Okay? No cheating. Children, put your head up. Children, what do you think? It took an hour or a minute? Yes, very good. It took a minute. And when you sleep at night, so what it take? Hours or a minute? Yes, very good. We sleep for hours. An hour is much longer than a minute. You can do much more work in an hour than in a minute. For example, 2 periods in a school will be an hour. Children, now solve this activity. Write H for hours and M for minutes. A cricket match take hour or a minute? Yes, very good. It takes hour. So we will write H here. Okay? Singing a song. It takes a minute or an hour? Yes, very good. It takes a minute. Sleep at night. Yes, very good. It takes hours. Doing 10 sums? It also takes an hour. Brushing your teeth. You take an hour or a minute to brush your teeth? Yes, we take a minute. Morning assembly of your school. It takes hours or minutes? Yes, it takes hours. Taking a bath. It takes a minute or an hour? Yes, it takes minutes. Going to school. It takes a minute or an hour? Yes, it takes a minute. Very good, children. You have solved it very nicely and very correctly. Now, children, we will solve one more activity, okay? Fill in the blanks. Children, now I'm going to ask you questions and you have to write in your rough book, okay? What time you wake up? Whatever time you wake up, you have to write here, okay? What time you have your breakfast? What time you sit for your studies? What time you have your lunch? What time you have your dinner? What time you go to sleep? Children, you have to fill up this blanks and you have to answer it. Hope, children, you all have enjoyed the lesson. Children, we should value the time because time is precious. Children, today we have learned about the time in a maths lesson. Children, for your homework, you have to make a clock of your own with the paper, cardboard or a paper plate in any shape whichever you want. Hope, children, you all have enjoyed it. Thank you and have a nice day.